The cabin interface unit, backbone device of the Ovation Select network. It is host to up to 24 clients and can be connected to other cabin interface units via a gigabit Ethernet port. The CIU is responsible for providing command, control, and audio and video content to clients on its network. The CIU also provides some integrity monitoring by LEDs for each client port. Those LEDs indicate connectivity and speed. It's also a wonderful means of troubleshooting. You can tell if a port is valid and if in fact that client is communicating to the cabin interface unit. The CIU also contains 3 rudimentary lights for performance, a red, an amber, and a green. Green indicates good integrity, amber means Ethernet connectivity, and red would indicate a fault. This fault could even be a power over Ethernet exceedance. Cabin interface units are defined by an ID strap. Those IDs are determined at the time of system definition. This also allows for multiple CIUs to reside in a network and to be swapped throughout the system for troubleshooting and diagnostics. The utility I/O module, considered the workhorse in the Ovation Select system. Typically a client to a CIU or multiple CIUs. The UIO is the interface to the aircraft subsystems. It contains relays, discretes, serial buses, resistance, voltage outputs, all needed to control galley functions, lighting, and temperature control. There can be many utility IOs in aircraft, or simply one, just depending on the need and the amount of subsystems to control. The utility IO also has a unique ID identifier. Those, again, are determined at system definition. Any utility I/O can be swapped with any other utility I/O because the databases and software are contained within each and obtain the behavior by the ID that is detected. The utility I/O also has 3 rudimentary indicators, 1 red, 1 green, and 1 amber. Green indicates good integrity, amber indicates Ethernet connectivity, and red would indicate a fault and may require removal and replace. The high-definition audio-video input device. It's used for non-native audio and video source to be compatible with the Ovation Select network. Its typical use case would be the Honeywell auxiliary panel that can provide VGA, RCA, HDMI, and stereo audio-video to the Ovation network. Another use case might be the Honeywell Media Dock for audio, video, and command and control. The AVI contains many LED indicator lights. Red, green, and amber. Green indicating good health and integrity, amber indicating Ethernet connectivity, and red indicating system fault. Additional indicators provide Ethernet activity indicators for peripheral devices connected. The high-definition audio-video output device. Its typical use case would be the use of consumer display or audio playback devices. This device takes the Ethernet audio and video content, turns it into either an analog or standard or high definition output for use with consumer equipment. It has 3 integrity LEDs, 1 red, 1 amber, 1 green. Green would indicate good integrity, amber indicates Ethernet activity, and red indicates fault. For more technical detail on Ovation Select products, refer to the appropriate installation manual available from Honeywell Technical Publications. For technical assistance, please contact the Honeywell Technical Operations Center.